Want to start ethical hacking but don't know where to begin? Let me show you exactly how to get everything installed the right way. In this video, we'll install everything you need, VMware, Kali Linux, and build your first hacking-ready environment step by step. So no more wasting time. Let's get straight to it. All right, to take your very first real step toward becoming a penetration tester or a certified ethical hacker, you need the right tools. And that starts with a proper operating system built for this job. The best OS that professionals and experts use every day is Kali Linux. And throughout this training series, I'll be using Kali to teach you everything you need to know. And no worries, once you get comfortable with one Linux-based OS, working with others becomes way easier. They're all pretty similar with small differences. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Google and search for Kali Linux. Click the first result, that's the official website. Now click on Download and you'll see multiple options. Choose Kali for virtual machines. Click on Virtual Machines and from the options, choose VMware. Download that file and get ready for the next step. Step 2. As you probably guessed, the next tool we need is a virtual machine software, so we can safely install and run Kali Linux inside our Windows or Mac system. We'll be using VMware Workstation, which is one of the best options out there. Head over to the official VMware website, download VMware Workstation. Choose your OS, Windows or Mac OS, and download it. Awesome! Now that you have both tools downloaded, you're ready to build your lab. And honestly, I'm proud of you. Most people who say they're interested in hacking don't even make it this far. Step 3. Open up VMware. You'll see a bunch of options, but don't worry, we'll only focus on what matters. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical, Recommended. Then select Installer Disk Image File. Here, browse and select the Kali Linux OS you downloaded earlier. Click Open, and you're set for the next step. Now, VMware asks you to choose the OS select, Linux. And for the version, choose Ubuntu or Ubuntu 64-bit. Next, name your virtual machine. You can name it anything. I'm calling mine Code X Project. Below that, you can choose the installation path. I recommend selecting a drive that has enough free space. The maximum disk size is 20 GB by default, but you can go higher if you have more space, like 30 to 40 GB is ideal. Step 5. Customize the hardware. Click on Customize Hardware. This part matters. For memory, if your PC has 16 GB of RAM or more, set this to 8. If you have less, 6 works fine too. We won't touch most other settings, except for network adapter, set it to net. That way, your virtual machine gets internet access when your host PC is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Close and move on. Finish and launch Kali. Now click Finish and boom! You just created your very own Linux system inside a virtual machine. Congratulations, that's a huge step forward. I know the setup process can feel a bit overwhelming, but trust me from here, things only get easier and more fun. You've done great so far. Take a short break, and when you're ready, come back for the next session. In the next video, we'll explore the Kali Linux interface and begin our first ethical hacking operations. If you found this video helpful, drop a like to support the channel and help more people see it. And if you're serious about learning ethical hacking step by step, subscribe and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning. See you in the next one.